Hi everyone, welcome back to Chandra Edu. Today we are diving into topic Excel sum formula. Excel sum formula is used to add numbers. You can add numbers one by one, add numbers in a column, add numbers in a row, and also add numbers in a range. Alright, let's get into it. Here we have a data, Chandra Fresh Up agent sales performance. Here the ID of the fruit, and here the name of the fruit name, and then here the sales in pound of every agent, agent Grace, agent James, and agent Patrick. And now we want to get the total of the sales. For example, here, the total of the sales of Apple. We want to get the total, just type equal sum, open parenthesis, and here the hint or the argument that we have to fulfill if we want to use the sum function or sum formula. Sum, open parenthesis, number 1, comma number 2, blah, 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 close parenthesis. And here, the first number, or number 1, is the sales from agent Grace, and then comma, number 2, the sales made by agent James, and then comma, agent Patrick. Close parenthesis and enter. Here is the total of the sales of apple fruit here. Total is 68. And then that is the first method. What about the second method? Delete it first. The second method, we not select one by one, but we select all of them in ones. Okay, type equal sum, open parenthesis, and highlight all of the number from Chris to Patrick. So here we can see C6 through E6 and close parenthesis, enter. The total is 68, the same number with before. And the third method, we can use a shortcut or a button that we call autosum. Here in the home tab, home ribbon here, editing group, there is autosum button here. If we hover over the autosum button, there is a shortcut alt plus equal. And now we just click the autosum. Click autosum. And here, the formula is typed automatically equal sum, open parenthesis, C6 through E6, close parenthesis. And then press enter. Here, the same number with before, 68, the total of sales Apple. And we want to copy the formula from apples to the pears. How to do that? Just move your cursor to the bottom right of the cell that contains the formula like this. So the cursor change into a small plus sign, or we call it autofill handle, and then click, hold, drag to the pears, and then release. So the formula has been copied to every cell here, banana, blueberry, and pears here. And then the next, we want to get the total of the sales that made by every agent. Here we want to get the sales made by agent Grace. How to do that? Here, type equal sum, open parenthesis, highlight all of the number from Apple to Pierce here. So here we can see C6 through C15 and then close parenthesis, enter. We get the result 227. And also we can use the autosum. First, delete it first, the formula. So leave it blank. And then the that you have to remember, if you want to use the autosum, you have to put the cursor or select the cell underneath the cells or range that you want to get the total. So under the C15 here, we select the C16 and then just click home tab and home ribbon here, editing group, autosum, click autosum, and the formula type automatically equal sums, open parenthesis, C6 through C15, close parenthesis, and then we just press enter. We get the same total here, the same number, 227. And if you want to copy the formula to the right, to the agent James, agent Patrick, just put the cursor in the bottom right here until we can see the autofill handle, and then click, hold, drag until agent Patrick and release. So here we get the total of cells on every agent. And then here, if we want to get the total cells made by agent James and agent Patrick, uh, we can highlight agent James, and agent Patrick. Agent Patrick's here. How to do that? Uh, for example, we want to get the total here and just type equal sum, and you can highlight all of the range from agent James Apple to Agent Patrick's Pierce here. So we can see D6 through E15 and then close parenthesis, enter. Then what about if we want to get the cells made by agent Grace? Yes, here, Grace. Oh, I'm sorry. Agent Grace and agent Patrick. So we want to get the total of agent Patrick and agent Grace. The range is separated by agent James. So we can use some formula also. Type equal sum, open parenthesis. First, we choose the first range, that is agent Grace from Apple to Pierce, and then type comma, and then select the second range, agent Patrick, Apple to Pierce, then close parenthesis, enter. You get the total cells made by agent Chris and agent Patrick. And that is for today's tutorial. I hope you found this lesson helpful and makes working with Excel easier. If you have any question or suggestion for future tutorials, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.